Gold and silver has seen a very smart recovery yesterday, precisely from the resistance levels as we discussed that 1954 and 1950 are two very strong support levels for gold, and at the same time for silver is 2440, 2430 levels. Precisely, it has bounced back from the same levels and yet again failed to break past the critical resistance on the upside at 1965 and 2480. Now, what to expect today? Which position we should take? Yes, it's a big day when the interest rate decision from Fed is going to come late in the day. Which position we should take in order to profit the max from the news and from the movement the volatility it is going to bring? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Yes, it's going to be volatile and hence it is recommended for you to trade with a stop loss and trade with a trailing stop loss. With that, let's start. First, we'll look into gold followed with silver. Do watch till the end. And those who are new to the channel must subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. This is the first video for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. Do watch that also. And friends, before leaving the video, do like, share and comment as well. Thank you very much. Let's start. Now look at the hourly charts of gold. You can see here, first of all, gold lower lows are done. See, it was trading in this bearish channel. It has come out of this bearish channel for now. That is the first observation on the hourly charts. The moving averages have crossed over. This is a bullish sign. At the same time, if you look at the movement here, you will find, see, rise, retracement, rise, retracement. So possibly higher lows. There is a possibility for it to come down till towards 1954-55 levels before the interest rate decision. There is a good possibility. At the same time, lower lows are seen and hence the lows for on the hourly charts is at around 1946 levels. So even if it tries to dip, as we have discussed several times earlier, that below 1950, 1946.5, 1945 levels and then 1941 levels, these are two very strong support levels, and from those support levels, if and only if gold breaks below 1940, you can say that the bears are back, as it is going to bounce back. Once again, I am reiterating this fact. Now see this, lower lows are seen and hence if it tries to get a pullback, possibly a little more bearishness can be expected. But look at hourly chart. See, so far higher lows, lower highs are seen. This is a zone of consolidation here. Possibly once it breaks below 1960, you can expect 1957-54 levels again. So that is the one point where you can sell is 1960 levels. At the same time, I will recommend you to buy only above 1968. But before that, let's have a look. See, the stochastic has dropped here. The MACD willing to converge crossover for a sell. RSI has also dropped a bit. Coming to 2-hour chart. On the 2-hour charts, you can see previous 3 candles, lower highs are seen, and this candle is now resuming its journey, and see it is trying to give the second leg of this. So possibly it is looking forward to 1960. Below 1960 only little more bearishness can be seen here. But still remember, you can see these candles, multiple candles getting a pullback from somewhere around 1957-58 zone. Yes, this zone is a very strong support zone, and then 1954 ultimately the next strongest support. Stochastic is dropping here. MACD is in green trying to converge crossover for sell. RSI is looking downwards trying to indicate slight bearishness. Coming to 3-hour charts, here also the moving averages have crossed over here. This is a bearish sign, but again these are converging. I will wait for the crossover. Right now if you look at on the 3-hour chart, there is a reversal sign here. Since then we can see few red candles. Possibly we can expect couple or more red candles from here. Just like this, it will try to retrace, achieve somewhere here and then possibly bounce back. This is one expectation. A stochastic is overbought. It may try to cool down for next few candles. MACD has crossed over trading with divergence and it is still showing bullishness. RSI is flat. Coming to 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour charts also similar observation here. See, it has come out of this bearish channel. It is trying to lift the prices little up. I will wait for it to break past 1968 and then you can expect. See, once it breaks past 1968, what will happen? I will expect it to achieve the zone at 1973-75 first target, and in fact the next levels at 1984-85 can also get achieved. Beyond that, sky is the limit. We may see 2000 levels also. This is also very much possible. Now why is it so? Look at this. See, on the 4-hour charts, it has consolidated here for long. Since then we have seen it trending or trading with the bullish bias. You can see this. Gold was trading in this bullish channels and now it has breached this channel. But most important observation is, look at the support it has created here and the support it has created here, almost at the same levels here. and it is yet to breach below 1950 levels, and it is giving you higher lows, higher highs. So it is still trading bullish on the 4-hour chart. That is why I say the possibility of a bounce back exists strong here. See, stochastic is overbought. Now look at MACD on the 4-hour chart. This is also crossed over, and this is a bullish cross. See, first wave here. Now the second leg of this wave is about to start, so possibly it could also signaling a pullback or a we can say bounce back or a rise. RSI is trying to look down, trying to indicate slight bearishness. Coming to the daily charts. Now look at the daily chart. See, moving average is crossed over here, trading with divergence, trading bullish, good sign. Now see, prices were divergent from the moving averages here. Prices converged till moving average. Yesterday in our analysis, we have discussed that it may try to achieve these levels. It may try to achieve the moving averages and then bounce back. Precisely that has happened. It has achieved the 20 and 50 period moving average and has recovered or bounced back. Now look at this lower highs, lower lows are seen here, but the slope here is different from what we have seen earlier. See, if you connect these three and these three, yes, it is bearish. This time it has tried to breach this channel here. That is why I say once you see it trading above 1968, you can buy and we can expect another bullish candle here. Now what has happened? You can see this. See, gold has consolidated enough here. Since then the rise here. Also if you look at the rise, this was the rise, then retracement, the rise, the retracement. So this is still to be treated as a retracement. And see, first green candle and in all means it suggests that there could be a second green candle, and this could be in fact a bigger one which might pull the prices little up. So that is why I say above 68 and specifically above 73 75 levels we can stay long for 85, and then more bullishness may prevail. Stochastic at bottom, MACD is in green trying to converge, RSI is flat. Coming to this, for the day you can sell at 1960. However, be careful on the downside. Remember, be careful on the downside. 1957 first target, 1954 next, 1950. See, very nearby resistances. I cannot avoid it. I have to mention all these. And below 1950, 1946 and 1941. Till 1941, gold is not bullish at all, bearish at all. We can see a strong pullback, a bounce back, and hence you have to trade with caution on the downside. On the upside, 1973-75 is the first target beyond 1968, and then we'll look forward to 1984-85, and then directly 2000 levels and plus levels can be expected. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. And before we proceed to silver, if you want to learn this art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch. 24th batch is going to start in first week of August. Limited seats are available. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at silver on the hourly chart. See the drop there, then the bearish channel, retracement. It has breached the channel, yes. The moving averages have crossed over. Good sign for the bulls out there. Now you can also see 2470, 2480 is a great resistance, and in fact till $25 levels it has got resistance at every 10 cents. Now look at the formation. See, moving averages have crossed over here. This is a bullish sign. However, so far lower highs, flat bottom is seen. 2450 great support, 2470 next resistance. For the day, yes, you can buy if you see silver trading about 2470, and if you can sell if you see it trading below 2450 levels. However, remember one fact: 2440, 2430 and 2420. These are three very important support levels for silver. Only and only if it trades below 2420, you can say that the bears will take over, and then 2380, 2350 levels can be expected. Now let's have a further detailed look. See, stochastic has dropped. MACD has crossed over, now trying to trade with divergence and slight bearishness. RSI is looking down. Coming to 2-hour charts. Likewise on the 2-hour charts, lower highs, one red candle, and see this candle might try to pull the prices little down. How far? 2450 might get achieved, but it is still going to remain a great support. Now see, reversal sign is seen, and now it is trying to form the symmetry here. Next is support we have already discussed. Stochastic looking down. The MACD is green trying to converge. RSI is looking down trying to trade with slight bearishness. Coming to 3-hour charts, yes, here also a reversal sign. First red candle, we can expect a second red candle which might pull the prices little down. However, it is still, see, it has formed the bottom. It was trading in this bearish channel. It has breached the channel, Now a retracement like this and then the bounce back can be expected. This is the phenomena which I'll be looking forward to, and hence uh, 2440 is still a great support. In fact, you should buy it around those levels, but we have to be with trade with caution. Stochastic looking down. MACD has crossed over for the buy entries, trading with little divergence. RSI is almost flat. Coming to 4 hour. Similar is the observation on the 4-hour charts. Lower highs, higher lows are seen. Consolidating still only below 2450. We can see a little bearishness. However, 2440, 30, 23 resistance is there. Those who wants to trade safe should wait for 2420 to be breached. On the upside, above 2470, still 2480, 90, 25. Till 25, great resistance. Beyond that, sky is the limit. Very clear here. Now, also one more observation here is, see, we have discussed this channel is there in my chart since long. Precisely now, silver is bouncing from the median of the channel. So this could possibly, if it reverses, we could see the highs of the channel again, which is right now at around 2450 levels, 2550 levels. The stochastic looking down, MACD has crossed over for a buy entry, and the RSI is also trying to trade with slight bearishness. Coming to the daily charts, now see on the daily charts, first of all, silver has been trading in this bullish channel. You can see it has created the base. This is the median and this is the top here. From the top, it has retraced to the median of the channel 50% almost, and now trying to look upward. So after this good bullish momentum, this was the first retracement. Now see, after the retracement, yesterday was the first green candle after a series of 3 to 4 red candles. Now what can we expect? We can expect a symmetry here. A symmetry means a greener candle, and a greener candle means to the top of the channel, which is right now situated at around 2550 levels. Hence, once you see it trading about 2480, we can remain long about 2480. We will be looking forward to 25, 2520, 2550 levels on the upside. Possibility for a strong bullish momentum exists here. See, the prices were divergent from the moving averages here. It converged till towards the 20 period moving average of trying to look upwards. Stochastic is oversold, trying to recover. MACD is willing to cross over for a sell. It is just converged and it can continue with the upward move here. RSI has also dropped. Considering this for the day, I will recommend you to sell at 25, or rather I'll say 2440 levels. The safer entry here is 2440. Below that you can expect 3020, but then only below 2420 you can say that the bears will take over. On the upside, you can buy here at 2480 and expect bullish momentum to continue till 25, 2520, 2550 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Do press the like button. Do watch the next update on gold and silver before the US session. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.